Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for staying tuned and thanks for watching continuously. So this is the part 2 of my video series. So in this part, we are gonna discuss about Amazon S3. So let's see what Amazon S3 is. So it is one of the most widely used services in AWS, and in this video we will look at its core features, security, and its use cases. So without any delay, let's get started. All right, so Amazon S3 basics. So let's talk about it. So Amazon Simple Storage, or S3. So it is AWS's object storage solution. So it's designed for 11 nines of durability. So which means your data is replicated across multiple facilities or multiple availability zones. So the data is stored in as objects in buckets. So each object consists of the data itself. So which you could also call them as files. So the metadata, and it's also a unique identifier. So with S3, you get virtually unlimited storage capacity across a variety of availability zones. Okay, so let's talk about S3 storage classes. So what are these S3 storage classes? So S3 provides, Amazon S3 provides multiple storage classes to optimize the cost and performance. So standard storage is basically used for frequently accessed data, which is a standard one, and the intelligent tiering automatically moves data between frequent and infrequent access tiers. So the standard IA and one zone IA provides a lower cost options for less frequently accessed data. And the Glacier and the Glacier Deep Archives are ultra low cost storage options designed for long-term archiving with retrieval times ranging from minutes to hours. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Now let's talk about lifecycle management in Amazon S3. So this lets you to define the rules that automatically transition objects between storage classes or delete them after a certain time. So for example, you could move log files to Glacier after 90 days and delete them completely after 1 year. So this ensures the data is stored cost effectively without any manual effort, which is pretty great, I think. What do you say? Okay, so let's talk about versioning and replication. So what is versioning and replication? So this is a powerful feature that protects against accidental deletions or overrides by keeping multiple versions of an object. So what does it mean? So let's say you have created a file and you want to replicate this into different buckets. So in Amazon S3, we have different, you could create a bucket and you could also create a replica of that bucket so that you can uh, duplicate or create a version of this object into the replica bucket. So you will have multiple versions of this object. So even though if the original one is lost, you would still have the duplicate object in the replica bucket. So this replication can be done across regions, various regions, or within the same region. So which helps with compliance, disaster recovery, and for maintaining the data in a locality. So as you see here, so we have cross-region replication and same region replication. So let's move further. Now let's talk about the Amazon S3 security. So the S3 security is built on strong foundations. The data can be encrypted at rest using SSE SE3, SSE KMS, or SSEC, and in transit using SSL. So the access is controlled through IAM policies, the user management policies, bucket management policies, and ACLs. So the AWS provides block public access settings to prevent accidental exposure of data, and the MFA delete for additional protection against any unwanted deletions which could be destructive. So S3 data consistency. Let's talk about this. So now Amazon S3 offers a strong read after write consistency. So this means that once you upload or delete an object, the subsequent read requests will immediately reflect the change. So this applies across all storage classes and regions. So this improves readability, reliability for the applications. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. So let's talk about the Amazon S3 use cases. So S3, as we discussed, supports a wide range of of uh, variety of storage classes. So this can be used to keep your data backed up and restored in case of disaster. And it also helps in hosting static websites, which I will show you in my next demonstration in this continuation for the part 3. So moving, so this also helps serve as the foundation for big data analytics and integrates with services like Antenna, Redshift, and EMR. So additionally, it can power global content distribution when combined with Amazon CloudFront. Okay, so what are the benefits of Amazon S3? So as you can see, it is highly durable and availability and multiple storage classes for custom optimization and seamless integration with other AWS services. And it also supports compliance requirements and advanced security features, making it suitable for nearly every industry in cloud computing. Okay, so now that we have discussed about all the Amazon S3 features and functions, let's summarize. So S3 provides scalable, secure, and cost-effective object storage into various classes with features like lifecycle management, versioning, replication, and policies, and strong security. So it has become a fundamental service in AWS and is a core building block for cloud native. So that's all from me for this part. Thank you very much for watching. Now stay tuned for my part 3 of this series to watch the demonstration of how to do hands-on on AWS.